the job, 99% finished. I've taken it to a DIY job for the client to finish. The pit's been squared out properly. I managed to talk him out of that idea. Change the window into a doorway. It's a reclaimed door, but they're going to do the capping stones themselves and probably open up the other window and put a bigger window in another time. It needs pointing. And probably patio stones, not complete, but have to have a blue stone border for allow access to the French drain, which is running at the moment. That's how high the water table is here.